What is a purchase agreement or a PA? Mortgage people, real estate people, we all like to throw out these terms that probably you've never even heard of before. A purchase agreement is the contract between the buyer and the seller that navigates all of the terms of their offer. When you're writing an offer, you're writing it on a sales contract or purchase agreement, and then you give it to the sellers. If the sellers accept your offer, they'll then sign off on that contract. Or if they're going to counter you, they'll send over an amendment to the contract and sign off on that. What's in this sales contract? Well, your realtor can go into more details, but the key things are going to be, what is your purchase price? What is your closing date? Are there seller paid closing costs or not? Are you allowed to negotiate during inspection? Everything that outlines the deal and all of the terms that both parties have to follow are put together in this contract, and it is a legal binding document. So it's a very big deal that you're working with a realtor who is representing your best interests and making sure you're educated on what you're signing off on.